In last lecture, we learned the in-plant, not-plant. Now, Gaussian male pill. Yes, mala D, mala M, mala N. Okay, and emergency contraceptive pill surgery, all are of used for females. So male pill is known as Gaussian pill. It is made from the cotton seed. Prevent spermatogenesis and cause permanent azoospermia. Gaussian pill cause permanent azoospermia, means permanent prevention, permanent stoppage of the formation of the sperms. Here in Gaussian pill, progesterone is used there. In July 2000, China made progesterone pills for men, and it was the first male pill in the world. So this is about only Gaussian. Emergency contraceptive pill, I-pill. I told you, I-pill or emergency contraceptive pill and unwanted 72. Okay, here progesterone estrogen combination is there. Emergency contraceptive pill can be taken within 72 hours after coitus, and that's why here the name of the drug is unwanted 72, as well as I-pill, emergency contraceptive pill, right? And along with this, within 72 hours, another option is there, implantation of the IUD. Implantation of the any type of the IUD prevent unwanted pregnancy. Okay, so these two options are there. female sterilization is very common, that is tubectomy. Majority 85% rate is there, and vasectomy only 10 to 15%. So majority here, tubectomy can be performed very commonly. Fine. Safe period of MTP is up to 12 weeks. Safe period for MTP is for up to 12 weeks. After 12 weeks, up to 24 weeks, low to high risk is there. Low to high risk is there. Fine. Infertility, in vitro fertilization, IVF, any other दे वस्तु है. In vitro fertilization means the fertilization occurs outside of the body. So 32 cell stage gastrula, 32 cell stage gastrula can be done in the laboratory artificially, and after this embryo is implanted into the uterus. It is known as ET, embryo transfer. Or if uterus is abnormal in female, then we use surrogacy mother also. And as you know that this gastrula stage 32 cell stage, okay, it will require 5 days. So implantation can be done in the uterus on the 7th day after fertilization. So within 1 week, embryo is implanted into the uterus. So in the gastrula stage itself, the embryo is transferred into the uterus, known as uterine transfer, embryo transfer, ET, in the uterus, or surrogacy mother can be used there. Okay, here ET, embryo transfer, that is intrauterine transfer, Zeta-FT, zygote intrafallopian transfer, and intracytoplasmic sperm injection. These all are in vitro fertilization methods. These all are in vitro fertilization method. Artificially, the sperm is injected into the ovum or cytoplasm. Artificially, zygote can be formed outside of the body. Fine. And blastomeria, 32 cell state, testula. Fine. That will be formed in the laboratory outside of the body. So, ET, IUT, ZIFT, ICSI, all are in vitro fertilization methods. Whereas GIFT and artificial insemination or intrauterine insemination, IUI, okay? Intrauterine insemination, IUI, artificial insemination, all are in vivo fertilization methods. Okay, now 2 points are there only. First test tube baby in England. July 1978, Louis Joy Brown, and in India first test tube baby was Durga. Louis Joy Brown in England and Durga. These two are first test tube baby in the world. Embryo-synthesis can perform after 14th to 15th week of pregnancy. By using the surgical needle, insert the surgical needle over the abdominal cavity at the site of the uterus, insert it and little bit portion of the amniotic fluid specimen can be collected there. And here we isolate the abnormal enzymes. Okay, so for example, phenylketonuria, alkaptonuria, you know that black urine disease, albinism, hemophilia, sickle cell anemia, okay, thalassemia, all these type of the genetic disorders can be diagnosed by this method. Any type of the other metabolic errors also fine, and along with that identify the number of Barr body. So according to the number of Barr body we determine the sex of the child. What here it indicates, if one Barr body is there, female is present, and if no Barr body, male is present. Okay. So this is about the need of this fourth chapter.